3.
Dr. Brady. Dr. Brady.
Paramedic said his blood pressure was 190 over 100 in the ambulance.
Hi, I'm Dr. Capelli. What happened?
I was taking a shower, and boy, I got this pain, and the next thing I knew, I fell against the edge of the tub. Oh, my side.
Okay, let me know if I hurt you. Let me see. That hurts there? A distended abdomen and some rebound. How's his pressure?
Dr. Bradley.
Patient's getting a little shock. The pressure's
Dr.
100
Bradley.
over 60.
All right, let's get an IV started. D5 half normal. We may have a pulsatile mass here. Put a call into ultrasound and get one of the radiologists on the line for me.
Ultrasound demonstrates multiple stones within the gallbladder. There is no evidence of obstruction. The common duct is normal size. Pancreas, kidneys, and spleen are all normal. Radiology, Dr. Harcourt.
Hi, Russ. Got a problem down here. A guy with a real tender abdomen.
Yeah?
It could be a ruptured spleen. I really don't want to move him. I'm not sure what it is. Could you wheel your ultrasound down here?
Well, there are no techs here right now.
Well, do you think you could wheel it down?
Yeah, I'll be right down.
Dr. Bradley, 1380. Dr. Bradley,
I thought you were going to bring your ultrasound machine down.
This is it.
That is it?
That's it.
Mr. Lane, this is Dr. Harcourt. He's going to be taking a look at your belly.
This won't hurt at all. It's going to be a little cold. We'll find out what's wrong with you here. Right. Little pain, huh? All right, we'll have you better in no time. Uh-huh. We have a large aortic aneurysm right here. You see this large mass here with the layers of thrombus in it?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's about 10 centimeters in diameter. All right, the spleen looks okay. The liver's fine. No free fluid. I want to get some hard copy of that.
Mr. Lane, it looks like what you have is an aortic aneurysm. That's like, it's like a bubble on a blood vessel.
Does that mean an operation?
Well, I'm afraid so, because, well, you see, it could burst. We'd like to get you into surgery as soon as possible.
Have you sent for Mrs. Foley's ultrasound?
Yeah, I called. Transport should be coming up right now. I tell you, I'm not looking forward to it. It's going to take some effort to move her.
Worried about your back?
She's a heavy woman.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
I'm one of the ultrasound technologists. Your doctor wants me to see how your kidney is doing.
Okay.
This is our new portable ultrasound machine. Ever seen one before?
No.
Oh, it comes in handy.
Mrs. Foley, what room?
38, by the window.
Gonna need some help moving her.
Patricia.
Oh, you're gonna need more than
Dr.
just
Brayton.
her.
I'll get one other.
Now, you've probably had an exam like this before, so you know it's not going to hurt at all, right?
Well, I'll take your word for it.
Well, here's some gel. Might be a little cold.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, let's put a little bit there. Now, all we're going to do is just bounce some sound waves off your insides and take some pictures.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt, but it tickles.
Okay. Gonna look for your kidney now. Oh, you can watch the screen with me.
Oh, okay.
Edition of Our Magazine, Kate Jackson, the woman of the hour.
Acting is the hardest profession in the world, but the reason we do it is because everything else is worse.
Plus, what happens
Mrs. Foley.
We're gonna move you down to radiology, Mrs. Foley. What'd she say?
I said not again.
Well, we'll try and make it as easy as
Won't you
possible.
call Mrs. Foley?
Again. Here you go. Let's put the sheet on.
Whoa, look at that.
There it is.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, you see that dark structure there? That's your kidney.
Okay, yeah.
Have you ever seen your kidney before?
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, looks good to me too.
I know you've been looking forward to this, Patty. Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3.
Nice, easy landing now.
Okay.
Use
Oh,
my-
wow, that's what the camera's for, huh? I didn't know that.
They think of everything, huh?
Yeah. It's pretty neat.
Okay. Now, if you just hold still. Okay. Now, if you just hold your breath for me, take a deep breath. That's it. Okay, and one more for good measure.
Hand me that belt over there, would you, Patty? That wasn't too bad, was it?
Yeah, we're ready to roll now, Mrs. Foley. Hang in. You'll be down to radiology in just a minute.
Yeah, you could have this one, huh?
Thanks.
For a little keepsake there.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is great. I can get it autographed later.
Well, listen, when your doctor sees these pictures, he's going to kick you out of here.
Hey, I'm ready.
Okay, I'll see you, huh?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Come on the corner. Oh, that's okay. You all right? Where'd she come from? Excuse me. Thanks.
Oh.
All right, all right. Okay, easy. I got that, Denise. Thanks. Thanks, Patty. Okay.
I can't wait till they get back.
Speaking of back, how's yours?
Like I said, I can't wait till they get back. Oh, I think I'm going to look for less strenuous work.
Like what?
I don't know. Like moving furniture.
Ross?
How'd that aneurysm go?
Yeah, it went smooth.
So the guy's doing okay?
Just now. That wall was so thin you could see the blood flowing right through it. Could have popped at any second. But we resected it. It looked exactly like the ultrasound images. Really glad you had that portable scanner. I thought you were going to come down with that big monster. I figured it would take forever.
ScanMate, they call it. It's not as jazzy as the big unit, but diagnostically, the images are every bit as good.
Yeah. Who needs a moose when you got to be on the loose, right?
Yeah. Did you make that up yourself?
Sure. People say I have a way with words.
Yeah, well, anyway, it beats lugging that big scanner around. By the way, here are the images of that patient.
These images are really outstanding. These ScanMates replacing the larger instruments?
No, not replacing. It's a mate, you know, a complement. Here, look at this. It's only 5 pounds. It's all battery powered. You can take it anywhere.
It's really handy.
Yeah. We're so impressed with them, we just bought another one. How'd you do?
House 5 in 45 minutes.
Not bad. 5 different patients.
Oh, she doesn't leave a stone unturned.
That's pretty good.
Well, people say I have a way with words.
Bye-bye.
People say a lot of things they don't mean. No, the nice thing about these is that we can take them down to the ICU. Oh, and maybe we should follow up on your man in a day or two and see how the graft looks.
Hey, that's a good idea. Glad I thought of it.
And we don't have to disconnect sick patients from respirators and tubes and wheel them down here, so there's less discomfort for all of us. We can get more patients done in less time if we take the unit to them.
You know, that's the other reason I come down here. Did you get Mrs. Foley?
Yes, they're scanning her right now.
Should I have had her scan-mated too?
Hey, that's what the instrument's for.
Maybe I owe Mrs. Foley an apology.
Well, I'm sure you'll find the words.
Oh, I'm
Good
sure.
afternoon, guys.
Hey.
Jim. How you doing? And another thing we found is that when our $80,000 unit goes down even for a day, we miss at least 8 scans. But with the ScanMate as a backup, we don't miss any.
Smart. Saves revenues. What does a ScanMate cost?
Only about $9,000. We even use one in our private office.
How did you first hear about ScanMate?
Medical specialist from Fisher came in, made a presentation. Let us use it for an hour. Using one is really convincing.
Russell's Room Service.
You want to be our ad man now that we provide this special service?
Sure. People say I have a way with words.
No, you keep saying that.
Look, you take the pictures and I'll promote your image around the hospital.
Yeah, you do have a way. But all I'm recommending is that the next time we use the ScanMate and leave Mrs. Foley where she's happiest.
Sure. You know, I think I may have 2 or 3 patients you could scan for me tomorrow. Then I'll drop by and see Mrs. Foley and tell her we don't have to move her anymore. Naturally, I'll take credit.
Seeing ScanMate in action is usually all the introduction it needs. ScanMate speaks for itself, but a brief summary of its features may help you. It'll help you to know what to listen for when you see a unit in person. ScanMate is the first truly portable, real-time ultrasound sector scanner. You'll see how practical ScanMate is, how well it fills your need for flexibility, accuracy, and economy without compromising image quality. ScanMate provides all the diagnostic quality demanded by physicians today. As for flexibility, this is the lightest and smallest ultrasound sector scanner in the world. With its own built-in battery power, you'll see you have convenience you've never experienced before in an ultrasound instrument. 8.5 inches or 21.6 centimeters wide, 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters high, and only about 9 inches or 23 centimeters deep. With its probe, it weighs a little over 5 pounds or 2.5 kilograms. ScanMate's rechargeable batteries give you about 45 minutes of scanning time per charge, and they can easily be recharged when not in use. ScanMate's miniature circuits and extremely sophisticated technology make it all possible. The unit's low power consumption, its interference-free operation, its portability, its economy and accuracy, its real-time analog display. Without digital converters, there's no image delay. You see what's happening in real time, real easy. ScanMate's 4 controls allow for easy operation and the flexibility needed for various medical specialties and patient sizes. The system's overall gain control is combined with the time gain compensation control. You adjust a single knob for the optimal gain, whether your exam is abdominal, pelvic, cardiac, vascular, obstetrics, whatever. The sector width control allows a field of view from 40 to 80 degrees. Through selection of smaller sector widths, the ScanMate automatically increases the scan rate from 24 to 40 frames per second. That's the fastest scan rate of any ultrasound available today. The higher rates improve the resolution and diagnostic information for organs requiring dynamic studies. The depth control has a range of 10 centimeters for children or small adults to 18 centimeters for larger adults and obstetrics. The power switch not only turns on the battery power for virtually instant operation, it includes 2 separate settings for the imaging mode. In the center position, the displayed image is optimized for the human eye, optimum grayscale characteristics for live diagnostics. In the photo position, the display is optimized for photography. This Polaroid camera is modified for ScanMate and optimized for photographing this screen. The camera attaches easily and quickly. It snaps into place at a fixed distance that gives the operator a clear view of the screen while catching crisp, hard copy records. The ScanMate is also unique in the way the system is configured. Two different probes are currently available. 3.5 megahertz, preferred for deeper penetrations, and 5 megahertz for smaller patients or superficial structures. When you order, you select the probe that best suits your clinical needs. The other probe is available as an option as your patient load or diagnostic requirements increase. The probe has a 6-foot cable which ensures ease of operation, while the probe holder allows the probe to be safely stored during transportation or when not in use. A maintenance kit and gels are available. Each ScanMate comes with 2 rechargeable battery packs and a recharger, a camera storage bracket, camera, and a rugged carrying case. You get a complete diagnostic system at a fraction of the cost of any other alternative you might be considering. When you see ScanMate in action, you'll see the instrument speaks for itself. ScanMate. It has a lot to say, a lot you'll want to hear.